Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We do have some clouds spilling into the valley after we enjoyed morning sunshine, light winds, and all in all, a fair start to our work week with a range of temperatures across the region. It's cooler in northern Minnesota, but right now at Hector, 63 degrees. That's the same reading we have at your airport in Moorhead, and a light north wind. It's under 10 miles per hour. And that's been a joy. Hey, it's cool up there near Lake of the Woods. 50s there, but at 56, 59 in Roseau. Thief River Falls also in the 50s. Where you see yellows here, we're in those generally low to mid 60s out there. It warms up a bit though in our southern and western counties. Sisseton at 72. And it's warm in Dickinson right now at 76 degrees with the capital city also in the warm category. Now winds very quiet across much of North Dakota, under 10 miles per hour. It's a little breezier, and at times we have some gusts where you see the colors upwards of 20 miles per hour or so near Alexandria. As we have a look at the radar, we see these showers pushing in all the way into our western counties here. Not all of this is reaching the ground, but the radar does see at elevation there's some raindrop sized particles in those clouds, rain likely reaching the ground where you see the dark greens along Highway 2 there and north in the oil patch. Here's the story of the big picture as we go through the week. We have a very large area of low pressure spinning out over the North Pacific, and that is going to bring wave after wave of unsettled weather. The good news is nothing too organized and heavy. Maybe on Thursday we'll be watching for something but more fast-moving type systems here over the next few days. As we check out your forecast this evening, clouds cannot rule out a sprinkle in our James River Valley counties. We'll see 50s and 60s for most of us throughout the entirety of the evening. Then overnight, check this out. Partly to mostly clear skies out across Minnesota will allow your temperatures to slide away. A few of you dipping down briefly into the 30s. The best chance of that, Lake of the Woods, Beltrami County, down into that Clearwater County area for you in Bagley as we take a look at the start your day conditions. Clouds west, sun east, 40s for most of us. But clouds could yield a few showers in our very western counties in the early morning hours going through the day. So morning sprinkles in the far west, the rest of us enjoying quiet conditions. And look at the wind direction tomorrow as opposed to light north winds tonight. They're out of the south and nothing too strong, 15 to 20 miles per hour, and shower chances best along the northern border and along the international border. As we go through midday, they'll be approaching that Red River Valley by early to mid-afternoon. So passing sprinkles, most of us stay dry. Just a few of us will have a chance at some spotty showers. Rainfall amounts under a tenth for most. A few could get a little bit more under those gully washers near the South Dakota border, maybe a couple tenths of an inch or so. Beautiful shot here from the progression of the lunar eclipse news. Thank you. This would be from around the Fargo area as we see, and boy, there's that beautiful deep color shot under the totality. Here is another look at some showers, although we warm it up for Wednesday. Warmer Wednesday, then we really get cool. Thursday brings a chance of some stormy weather. There could be a few strong storms. And look at temperatures, much colder, and it gets even colder still on Friday. And in fact, Hutch wants you to know that with temperatures in Fargo in the 40s, a few up north could be cold enough for a morning flake to mix in on Friday. Unbelievable. For the 20th of May. Few showers, a little bit of a rebound for a cool, albeit quieter weekend ahead. So unsettled weather with a chance of rain, the most organized of which looks to be on Thursday.
Anybody you can call on that temperature?
I'll see what I can do, Mike.
Okay. I know you got numbers.
Yeah.
Up next, the latest on the formula shortage and efforts to solve the problem.